Hello guys, today we are going to learn about what is C++. Get into the video. Today we are going to see the introduction of C++ and what is C++ and what it's mean, why we want to learn C++. Our today's agenda is to see the introduction to C++ and the syntax in C++ and the three types of managements in C++. There are three types of management in C++. Information management, process management, and the memory management. First, what is information management? Here, the information management in C++ refer to practice of effective organizing, storing, sorting, manipulating, and the retrieving data with the C++. It means the information management is to collect the information about our programs and retrieving our datas, that is information management. And the second, the process management. Process management is that the process management refers to active involves in creating, controlling, and the monitoring and executing of the process with an operating system. It means the work of process management is to work with our operating system. It is controlling, creating, or monitoring our execute and the execution of our process. It in the hands of process management. The third is memory management. What is memory management? Memory management is the process of organizing and controlling use of computer memory in the computer system. It means the work of memory management with our computer system to controlling, and it is organizing our memories partition or anything in our computer system. It is in the hand of memory management. Introduction in C++. As you can see, C is an object-oriented programming language. It develops by Bijan Stronstrup in 1980s at AT&T Bell Lab, USA. The C++ was developed by Bijan Stronstrup in 1980s at the AT&T Bell Lab in USA. In the lab, the name of that lab is AT&T Bell Lab. It is in USA. Second, C++ is a powerful and versatile programming language. It means the C++ is very powerful programming language, widely used for the developing a varieties of software application. The C++ is used to make and software and applications in very great or a large scale. C++ is an object-oriented programming language. C++ is also an object-oriented programming language. It is the OOPS programming language. There are the five types of key syntax in C++. First, the statement. Second, expressions. Third, variables and the data types. Fourth, functions. And fifth, the control structure. These five key syntax are the main key syntax of C++. For example, this is a program of the statement syntax. What is statement syntax? C++ program are made by the statement. That's why the statement syntax is very important, because the C++ is made by the statements. This is an basic command or the basic coding of that statement. Second is expression. What is expression? Expression are combinations of values. It will it means the expression combines the value. Here is the basic command or the basic coding of that. Third is variable and the data type. In C++, variable must be declared before they can be used. We have to declare the variable before we use. For example, this is the code of that variables and the data type. Fourth is functions. What are functions? Functions are block of codes that perform a specific task. It means our coding is formed in the block form and it will run at function, means one by one and one by one. It will run the program like that. This is an example or the code of that functions. And the fifth is the control structure. Control structure allows you to control and the flow of execution in your program. The control is very important in C++. If you are not controlling or not making your program very you will get an error in that C++. This is the basic code of C++ of an hello world. This is hash. Hash include an IO stream. This is the header of our C++. This is a header. It means this is very important and main. If you are not type that, you will not get any output from your command. And this is int main. The int is for integer. The integer is main. And this is an curly bracket, an open curly bracket. Here, this is our main command to print the hello world in our C++. That is cout and the two smaller than sign and double quotes. We have to type hello world and double quote close and the smaller sign and l, and we have to return a 0 and close the curly bracket. That's all. Thank you for watching this video.